I think this is probably one of my best ideas pairing with Sister Suy's Heritage Heat.
Oh yeah?
First, I got dill pickles. And we're gonna save this for later. But first, why we got croissants, let me just show you. I'm gonna warm this up. Nice and fresh croissants out of the microwave. Close this. And anyways, my smart idea. Now we unleash the pickles. So I decided of making pickle croissants. Yeah, sounds dumb, but tasty. So when I was bored and just looking in the fridge for stuff, I found croissants and yeah. And then I found pickles. So I'm just like, what if we just pair and mix this and see what happens? So like, I just put it in there like this, and people are saying like, is this gonna taste good? Probably not. Stupid idea. Anyway, we got our heritage heat. Yeah, of course it will. Then we just put it on there. And here we go. Focus on me? It's okay. Yeah, it was great.